Hello everyone, and come on and kick it with me as I get ready to prepare my mini farm for the holiday season. So in true me fashion, my tradition is the day after Thanksgiving, I start decking my home out for the holiday season. But this year is a little bit different because now I'm an urban farmer and I got chickie babies. So I decided that I was starting, yes girl, that I was starting with their coop first. So come on and take a tour with me as I show you how I decked out, how I decked out their coop. So literally I decked the coop with a holiday spirit, okay? And then come back later on and join me as I give you a tour of how I decked out the mini farm entirely. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that part. So first off, I want to start with my favorite part of the coop, and that is their Santa Claus that is on the roof there. Of course, I just love the idea of doing a big plaid bow and, you know, keeping in with that, you know, holiday decor. Of course, I have 4 chickie ladies, so each one of them has a stocking, and the 2 that matches the bow, so this one here and that one there, I figured that that would be the reason why they have quote-unquote special stockings, is because those are for my 2 chickie ladies that are indeed laying consistently. Okay, so we give rewards out here for producing, and you know, gotta have, you know, some jingle all the way, you know what I mean. They got their little reindeer friend as well as their snowman there, and as you can see, they have some more jingle bells there. I had way more garland going, you know, all over. I'll show you guys a picture of that. I took it down because the chickie ladies were so excited about it, and I was worried because they kept trying to eat it, and we're not about, you know, the chickies, you know, eating stuff that they ain't supposed to be eating. But of course, you have to give them, you know, some holiday floral decor as well. So next up is that I'm going to add their lights. So yes, their house is going to be lit up at night. But yes, we decked the chickies coop with holiday cheer. I just wanted to show that we don't stop at just the coop. Yes, the ladies have their nails done for the holiday season.